Hi guys, welcome back to Dude's Tech. Today we're exploring the best Bluetooth meat thermometer, the Inkbird INT14BW, a smart device that makes cooking precise, easy, and stress-free. Whether grilling or roasting, this thermometer keeps your food perfectly cooked. Let's get started. The Inkbird INT14-BW Bluetooth meat thermometer is designed for anyone who wants to cook with confidence. It's a smart thermometer with 4 wireless probes that can monitor multiple dishes at once. You can check temperatures in real time using Bluetooth or Wi-Fi and even cook without the app in local mode. This device is perfect for home chefs, barbecue lovers, and anyone aiming for restaurant-quality results right in their kitchen. Each probe on the Inkbird INT14-BW has 2 sensors, measuring both your food and oven temperature simultaneously. This gives you highly accurate readings within 1 degree Celsius or 1.8 Fahrenheit, ensuring you never overcook or undercook your meat. With the Inkbird app, you can choose from 26 preset meat menus based on USDA recommendations or set your own custom temperatures. You'll get instant notifications when your food reaches the perfect temperature. You can even set timers, high or low temperature alerts, and target temperature alarms, so you stay in full control from start to finish. The thermometer's battery supports up to 25 hours of continuous operation. That's perfect for long barbecues, slow roasts, or smoking multiple meats. You won't have to worry about your thermometer dying mid-cook. The Inkbird INT14BW is built to last. Its food-grade stainless steel probes come with zirconia ceramic handles that are IP67 waterproof and dishwasher safe. The main device features a full-view high-definition display with adjustable backlight, making it easy to read in any lighting condition. Plus, it can store up to 30 minutes of temperature data and syncs seamlessly with the app when reconnected. Imagine cooking a roast chicken while also smoking ribs and vegetables. With 4 probes, you can monitor everything at once without moving food around. The app lets you walk away from the kitchen, check temperatures on your phone, and get alerts when your dishes are ready. It makes multitasking simple and stress-free, whether you're grilling outside or roasting indoors. The Inkbird INT14-BW Bluetooth meat thermometer is ideal for anyone who loves cooking meat perfectly every time. Barbecue enthusiasts, busy parents, home chefs, and even beginners will find it easy to use. It's perfect for anyone who wants precise, worry-free cooking without constantly checking the oven or grill. Cooking made simple and precise. Check the price link in the description and like and subscribe to Dude's Tech for more smart kitchen gadgets and helpful tips. Stay tuned, cook smart, and enjoy delicious meals every time.